Hey guys, it's ARG here with the Team of the Year pack opening. We got like 3,000 FIFA points. We're going to do 25k packs and try to pull one of these guys. It's only the defenders and the goalkeeper out right now. But I don't have time to wait, so let's go. Fuck.
Oh god.
Oh my god, dude.
Oh, left back with 82 hits.
Let's try to skip. I'm not gonna skip. Oh, Ronaldo. Ronaldo.
Did we just get that 75?
Yeah, we did. Come on, FIFA. No, I'm not gonna skip. I'm not gonna skip.
Skip.
Storage!
Storage!
Calm down.
Oh, he's like fucking hate. Oh wait, market crash. Fucking bitch.
Oh yeah. But is he getting it? Fuck, he went down so fucking much.
Okay.
God, else is tough. He pissed me off. Miller! Oh, he doesn't say shit.
Bitch!
Yeah, what do you mean every time? This is the first I've ever gotten.
Is that the most expensive he's ever gotten?
Oh, seriously. Get a little shit up. Stop talking, please. You pissed me off.
He has pretty good stats, so.
Yeah, there's okay so far. Skip this shit. Oh my god, dude.
That's a quick soap. Or not.
Please.
Michael Brown. Can I open the next bag?
Okay, I'll let you open the last one. Rain. What the fuck is this?
Isn't he like...
Skip. Do the skip.
Wait, I got it.
Oh. Ew.
And Danovich.
Who's fucking cool?
Oh, he's actually fast for a goalkeeper.
Oh shit, my chest was full.
We got Sturridge. Yeah. What the fuck? He goes for like...
No, he doesn't go for that much.
No, I'm pretty sure he goes for it.
Alright guys, subscribe, like, peace.